Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Optimum, found at www.optimum.com, offers a range of communication services bundled together in attractive packages. Their primary offerings encompass high-speed internet, cable television with an extensive channel lineup, and reliable home phone services. They provide a variety of internet speed tiers to cater to different needs, from casual browsing to demanding online gaming or streaming in 4K resolution. For television enthusiasts, Optimum offers a rich selection of entertainment options, including premium channels, on-demand content, and even the ability to watch certain programs on the go via their mobile app. Their phone service includes unlimited nationwide calling, making it easy to stay connected with friends and family across the country. Optimum prides itself on delivering consistent service and strives to provide excellent customer support to address any technical difficulties or billing inquiries. Potential customers can explore various package options and pricing details on their website. They often run promotional offers and discounts, making it worthwhile to check for current deals. Furthermore, Optimum provides online resources and tools for managing your account, paying bills, and troubleshooting common issues. They also offer support via phone and social media channels. For individuals looking for a comprehensive communication solution encompassing internet, TV, and phone, Optimum is certainly worth considering. Visit www.optimum.com today to discover more about their services, current promotions, and coverage availability in your area. Remember to compare their offerings with other providers to ensure you select the package that best suits your specific needs and budget. They frequently update their website with new information, so checking back regularly is recommended. In addition to their residential services, Optimum also caters to business customers, offering tailored solutions to meet their communication and connectivity requirements. So, whether you're a home user or a business owner, Optimum has a range of options to explore. Don't hesitate to browse their site or contact their customer service team for personalized assistance. Optimum strives to be a one-stop shop for all your communication needs, providing a streamlined experience for their customers.